In this video, I'll be showing you guys how to use the PureVPN app. Very simple and easy. So it's available for Android users. You can hop on Google Play Store to get that. I don't know for iOS, but then you can check that out. Good. So you can use this VPN for a lot of stuff. You can get an eSIM here. You can even manage your emails and then your phone numbers online. You can request to remove your stuff from brokers and the rest here. Which you guys all that using the app. Yeah, so now what you're going to do is, since it's for VPN, let's first talk about the VPN side. So you can see when you open the app, you see VPN being selected at the bottom. See the options there, bottom left. Good. So to connect, you just tap on the connect you see in the middle of your screen, and then you connect. Right, so you'd have to create an account first, but you can use it without creating an account. And this is the location, yeah, the servers they have. So you can see we have Lisboa, which is Portugal, and then they have a couple ones here too, which you can select and then just connect to the country and get access to their resources. That's the use of a VPN. Good. It doesn't change your location, it just gets you access to a different country's resources while you're in a different country. Yeah, it doesn't hide your location. Sorry. Good. So now let's move to the identity that's next to the VPN. Good. So you can see, just like what I was talking about, identity theft protection. So you're going to add your email addresses here. Yeah, so it's going to, they're going to alert you when your email has been used somewhere or something. Yeah, and your phone number. And also you can request data removal, just like I was saying, over 180 brokers. Yeah. So you see, sometimes when you're there, you get some sort of email from somebody. Yeah, people collect emails and then sell them to companies for marketing and the rest. And you can set up a master password. I think this is not, but if you want to, you can. Yeah, set up a master password for your account. And also you can request an eSIM here. So these are the countries. Yeah, so you get yourself an eSIM from these countries, phone numbers from these countries as an eSIM, and this is the prices. Just tap on that, you agree and continue. If your phone supports eSIM, you just proceed and you're good to go. And now let's tap on the more here. So this is where you get access to the app settings and all that. So to log in, you can see login on top there. Just tap on that. If you don't have an account, you would have to sign in. Yeah, so just tap on login there. So they're going to refer you to their website, and then you do that. So there's it. Good. So you just sign in. If you want to go to the pro version, you just start the trial too. Good. And it refers you to their website too as well. And this is when you want to create an account, email, password, you tap on register, you're good to go. You can sign in with your Apple account, meaning they're available on iOS. And then you can also contact customer service if you need help by tapping on the need to talk to somebody. So messages, and then you can send messages here. Definitely it's going to be an AI, and then send a message here. Send the message here to, you can send them something. This is going to be the AI, just like I said, PureVPN AI agent. Yeah. Now let's move to the app settings. So you can switch the language. No, let's talk about the first option, which is appearance. So you can change it to light and dark. This is dark theme. Okay. And I can switch back to light so you guys can see the tutorial well. And also you can reset your account, clear your preferences and everything. If you want to reset your account to a new account, you can change your language on the app to France, which is the French, and the rest. It's up to you. And that's it on the PureVPN. You can do a lot here. I think the app entails a lot. I don't want any notification. Good. So that's it. You can connect your VPN. You can manage your email addresses and how your information is being distributed online. You can get an eSIM here. You can do a lot of things here. So that's it about the PureVPN. If you are new here, just give me a like. And also, if you want a free VPN, you can check my channel's playlist. You're going to find a lot of them. I've reviewed there. So that's it for the video. Peace.